God answers prayer. Oftentimes we ask for physical things, financial breakthrough or a relationship that needs to be restored. But this prayer of mine for walking closer with God has been coming a while in this new year, and I knew it was not as it should be, but I didn't know how to restore it. And for a number of nights I've just been lying before God in that sense and just saying, Lord, I trust you, knowing that He had to do something in my heart that I cannot do. And a few days ago, God just started to shine His light on my heart. There were a few things where He convicted me of areas that I've allowed to grow cold in my heart, where He showed me that I'm no longer loving as He wants me to love. And that causes me to not pray with Him in that sense as He wants me to pray with Him. And I repented, I came before God, and He has restored in a remarkable way my heart. I am closer to Him. I have friends that say, what happened to you? It's the most open you look like that we've seen you in a long time. So God answered prayer for intimacy with Him, and that is so precious to me.